Hey guys, CoolSpace1935 here. You may have seen one of these before. It's a timer for a twisty puzzle, which is another name for a Rubik's Cube. However, you've definitely not seen this before. But I have, because I'm looking at it right now. So, I don't know what this is called. It's definitely gonna be looking weirder than the round coloring cube I did in my Halloween special. If you haven't watched that, go watch it right now. So, I'm just going to use the timer to time myself on this puzzle. Don't worry, I've done a couple of solves on this, so this won't be like a 1 bajillion year video. Okay, so I'm going to scramble this up. Now, this mechanism, you have to push the balls around on a spongy surface. So, yeah. I got this, like, today, basically. I didn't even know I was getting it. Okay, that looks very scrambled. Okay. Now I just need to turn it on. 3, 2, 1, go. That goes there, that goes there. Okay. Now where does this go? Oh, red goes there. Okay. Now I get it. Okay, if you can see the time, now I'm just gonna turn it around. 19.668. Okay, I don't think that was a proper solve because I only did one move, so let's just do one more. Just in case this was a fluke, it might take me a few minutes then because that's my average. My high score is like 2 minutes or something. That's decent, not bad. Okay, I need to scramble this bit. There. Is there a way? Okay. I'm scrambling every single bit. Okay. Reset. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay, now where does this go? Okay. Oh, now I get it. So you have to do this triangle. There's only basically one algorithm in the whole solve that I figured out. It's basically just this triangle method. Like you do that. It's very easy. Okay, now that needs to go there, obviously. If you know your colors. Because you have to match it up with every single ring. But then where does that go? Oh, yes! This is lucky. All we need to do, oh my god, all the others are solved. Okay, we might have to. There. But how do we swap these? Okay. This is a certain way to do it. Like that, like that, like that. There. Okay, everyone. Oh, I think I just beat my personal best. If you guys can see the time, now I'm gonna turn it around. Yes, 1 minute 26.758. That's pretty much it for this video. So, bye. Hey, wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe.